What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to download the game Baldur's Gate free on your PC. So the first step is open your Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Once you have done that, I will show you a way to download this game without overspending and keeping your PC safe. So the first step, open your Google browser, and what we need to do is locate this game first on Steam before we can proceed to another website. So go to the Steam website, and what we will do is search up the game on Steam first. So search up the game Baldur's Gate 3, then scroll a little bit down. And as you can see, this game on Steam is €47.99. But don't worry, we got that workaround. What you need to do is click on the link in the video description where it says find game here, and you will be redirected to this webpage. Now the next step is search for the same game, Baldur's Gate 3. Then select games on the left side and sort by price lowest first. Now what we need to watch is a PC version which can be activated in our country, so this text needs to be marked green. And as you can see, we have found one, so we will select this option. And as you can see, this price is €22.69 compared to the price on Steam of €47.99. This will save you a lot of money while downloading games online. Now what you can do is purchase this game through this website, and you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including an activation key or a complete new legit Steam account to download this game completely legit on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers, guys!